Hey everybody, here is a two-for sneak peek on this Friday for Fusion engineers. We are going to support Manage in OpenBOM starting next week, April 22nd, 2024. I've released this design in Manage and I click the BOM button and now OpenBOM will bring from Fusion all that information that you guys have been asking for. Let's start with item number, life cycle, the change order, the link to the change order, whether or not it's locked, more information about when it's released and what its next assembly is. You can see here I don't have this tailstock subassembly released yet, but everything else is. And this, as you can see, this BOM also includes links to the PDFs of the drawings, links to the CAD file, all the stuff everyone's been asking for. So this will be, well, we got this in QA right now. It will be out the week of April 22nd, 2024. That's support for Manage. And you simply enable that. Of course, you enable Manage in your account, your Autodesk account. Once you have that turned on, you can check this box here that says to bring Manage properties. And if you do, if and when you do that, through the property selector, you'll be able to decide which properties to bring over lifecycle. You can add some more information, etc. So that is support for Manage and OpenBOM for Fusion 360. Love to hear from you at support@openbom.com. Thanks.